Are you go for launch? LD, go for launch.
There's that final go for launch. We are just over 30 seconds away until the maiden launch of this vehicle. Good luck, Terran 1, and have fun. Here we go.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. Lift off.
Terran 1 has cleared the tower.
Control maneuver starting. Launch pad facing.
Look at that blue fire! Cheering, the vehicle is now headed downrange in an easterly direction over the Atlantic Ocean. Our next ascent milestone is max Q, around 80 seconds.
Terran 1 is supersonic. Get telemetry switch over at the ground station. Max Q.
We are on our way to making a new history. Terran came ready to play today. You just heard that call out indicating Terran 1 just made it through. Max Q. We just completed a major step in proving to the world that 3D printed rockets are structurally viable. Up next, we'll be looking for a call out that stage 1 performance is nominal. We were waiting for MECO and upper stage ignition. This means that we had a main engine cutoff for stage 1, and directly following that we had second stage ignition, which you can see the Aeon vacuum engine in that beautiful view in the night sky. Reminder, there is no fairing for this maiden launch as we don't have a customer payload, but we do instead have a memento of the first ever circular test print. We are currently standing by for an update on what's happening with the stage 2 engine.
Nelson on countdown, this is the LD. There has been a T plus anomaly with stage 2. LC, please begin anomaly procedure section 25. Copy.